Hi there, it's the 8th, no, yes, it's the 8th of June. As you might recall, I have started a project some weeks ago on adding SMP support to the OpenBSD VMM hypervisor. And I'm actually really closing in now. I have managed to run a 12 CPU 7.9 current OpenBSD building kernel without problems, but there is still a lingering crash in the hypervisor which I'm hunting. It's most often, well, it's only coming when I force stop virtual machines, but not always, but sometimes. And right now I have come to such a position. So I wonder how I will do this. I will probably need to, well, I will make this half width like this, and I will fetch a terminal window to the same screen. And hopefully I will be able to put it into the video. Let's see. And how will I know which one it is? Like this, perhaps. Yes. Okay. So here we have the panic with some information and a backtrace. Perhaps it is actually two bugs. I get two different panics, but in the same load case. We'll see what Claude thinks about it. I will paste it here. This is actually very exciting for me because I have been waiting like 7 years or more for having support of multi-CPU kernels inside virtual machines in VMM. And it has always been said by the maintainers of VMM that it's their next thing to do on their priority list. But I have thought about should I jump in there and, well, help out. I was part of the original SMP support of OpenBSD, so I'm not totally unacquainted with the problems. And now, after having done several months of vibe coding, I realized with the recent Claude models that it's actually almost powerful enough to be of great use doing such a project, which was why I started to test. Okay, so they say this isn't the dupe. Oh yeah, it's another panic. It's the sibling, the PGP list teardown panic. The other phase of the same root bug. Okay, so what does this say? Looks like a recycled stale PT. That's a page table entry. Sorry, I cannot scroll up. I had it there, but I forgot that I get a clear screen, so there's nothing to scroll up to, I believe. This is not that panic, is it? Or is it? Ah, here it is. Pool trap, no tear down. Perhaps. Let's see. But it didn't print what he said. The only preceding printer was pool trap, no tear down feedback. I'm staying here in DDB, the kernel debugger of OpenBSD, since I sort of anticipate that Claude will want me to make commands to collect more information. You should know that it has not been easy for Claude to figure this out. I have tried with formal reasoning, with predicate logic and all, and also just trying Claude to guess at what the problem is, but it's a very elusive problem. So we have closing in very carefully. Well, that datum is actually telling pool trap, no teardown, blah blah blah, means the instrumentation checked its free trade string and found physical address blah 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 was never recorded as free. But this is not a recycle of a real free page. It's a garbage torn PTE value sitting in the page table. Okay, we will check what the other CPUs are doing. Okay, so at the panic, the system is doing, well, it's mid-heavy VM activity, vCPU threads in VM IO controls. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, he wants to add instrumentation. Yeah, he wants to make more. This is sort of human. He proposes option 1, more instrumentation. Option 2, go straight to the fix. The target is already clear. It sounds so. Yeah, I know what it is. I can guess what to do. But he has done this before. And so his final verdict is I'd lean 1 first. We've twice been burdened by fixing before the mechanism was nailed, and one more trace closes it. But the locus is no longer in doubt. Everything's recorded, nothing's running. Heaven's ready for your reboot. Okay. What it says, the fix is to drain or serialize the vCPU threads UVM fault wire before the process PMAP teardown. Well, Actually, I want to do both. I want to do both. Let one agent do instrumentation and deploy and plan a new run, while another workflow with fan out agents will do the guest picks along with formal proofs. We do not have to choose. Yeah, Claude is so kind to us these days with the workflows and the parallelism that is very easy to just spawn. The problem is that it costs tokens. I have used 73% of my weekly quota in, what is it? 1, 2, 3.5 days. So I've used 50% of the time, but 73% of the quota. So I have to start using Sonnet, but actually this is so close. I want the great power here. That probably means that it can't do. Okay, I will ask. Do you want me to make more DDB commands, or should I reboot Heaven? Heaven is the name of the hypervisor machine here. I am really thinking about going public on the current state, actually. Well, going public as in just posting a cryptic LinkedIn comment or something. They who know, know. And some pastes. I think I have the paste here somewhere from earlier. Yeah, you can't see that, but should I show it? Oh, we'll take that later. You can reboot Heaven now. Okay, I will do that. Boot crash and spill toward. I don't think this. Oops. So just for your information, the right screen is an idrac console. That's idrac is the Dell network BIOS console. So that we can say post like you can see now. It's doing BIOS post and all the BIOS ROMs outputs and such. And of course, be able to change boot parameters, etc. I guess it stands for Integrated Dell Remote Access Controller or something. So here it starts booting for real. Hmm. This is a bit strange. The Heaven hypervisor machine seems to have wedged. Hmm. That's really strange. I will type an enter here. Nothing happens. Hmm. Well, maybe this won't return so fast. These last responses from the artificial intelligence squares. Mm. Well, I don't really like that the kernel doesn't come up. So I probably should try rebooting it again. Or is it really wedged? Hmm. Yes, it's the edclaude console is wedged. Hmm. Okay, now it responds. Hmm. But I think I must stop here for the night. It's too slow. It's just too slow. Oh, so it's on here anyway. Founded netgraph, not graph for missing mount, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Oh, we have to take a break.